Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to install the Viridian E-Series laser for the Bodyguard 2.0. Alright, so before we start, no magazine, nothing in the chamber, the gun is safe. Alright, so first put on some gloves, because I don't want no lead on me really. Alrighty, so first thing I'm gonna do is just remove the gun from the slide. And actually, before I do anything, let me get my gun mat. Alright, so I'm gonna slide. Okay, so that's how I just work with this. And actually, I'm just gonna get a little clean. Let's move it down. Right, so remove the slide from the gun. So now, cool. Quick little clean. Not a deep clean, but you know. Alright, so let's see here. I need to take this punch out. Let's see. Yeah, that's the right punch. I mean, damn, that punch is in there, dude. Jeez Louise. Okay. Get out of there, boy. Oh, I think I got it. Oh, yeah, I got it. Look at that, guys. Got it. Fuck. Whew, that was a bitch. That was a bitch. Look at that motherfucker. Wow. Cool. All right. Now, I need to simply install the one that they gave me here. And we're going to put that one in backwards. Same deal. Just going to lube it up. Some lube in that hole. And hopefully this goes better. Look at the video real quick.
Placement roll pin before we mount the laser. This ensures you are not shocking or damaging the internal components of the Viridian roll pin into place until oil. Align the frame and use that 3/30 seconds roll pin punch to carefully tap the new Viridian.
Okay, so same deal. Okay, I'm happy with that. All right, You guys can't see that, really. Let me put my flashlight on it. Okay, so the goal. Alright, you see the pins there, and you see the pins there. See how it's like kind of perfectly centered? So that's kind of what I want there. Alright, now take this. The positive side touching the contact. Okay. Let's see how much charge is in this thing before I even put it on. Let's see here. Negative, positive, all right. Saying 1.3, but it's not staying. There it is, 3.2 volts. Cool. All right, so that's good. Fully charged battery. Set with the positive side.
Take the larger. Now we can assemble the laser housing. Using the provided tools, remove the two housing screws and separate the halves. Insert your battery with the positive side touching the contact spring.
Positive side touching the contact spring. Okay. So that's that. Yep, laser's on. Cool. Alright, oops.
Take the larger half of the housing, align it so the curvature matches the trigger guard, hooking the front ridge first and snapping the tail into place directly over that new roll pin.
Okay. So I'm gonna go here. This goes, okay. Goes right to the right. All right. And I'm gonna put the slide back on. Some more lube. Need oil. Right. Look at that shit, man. Clean. Clean, clean, clean. Let's see here. Get behind John. Look at this shit. Wow. Laser. Oh, yeah. I just need to adjust the laser to line up with the sight or the bore. Quick target acquisition, just put that laser on them. Done. Boom. Very pleased with this. Let's see, where's my magazine? That's how the full pistol looks. Very clean, man. Yeah, this thing is 100% complete now. Laser, red dot, and I got a still guy ride in there from Galloway Precisions. So yeah, it's perfect. All right, so the job isn't done. Now I am going to zero the laser to the bore. And the way I do that is I use a bore sight, bore laser tool. I just stick that. Let me adjust it, it's a little too tight. All right, just stick that in the gun like that. And I just turn it on. And I just aim it. And then I turn on my laser. And the goal is to get my laser dead on with that red dot there. So I'll aim this 15 yards or so, 7 yards, just wherever I want the point of impact to be. Make sure that laser lines up with that laser, and then it's perfectly bore sighted. So wherever this laser is going to hit exactly where this guy's aiming. So that's what you want. And then yeah, that'll be that. Very pleased with this now. This is like a perfect carry pistol for me now, honestly. And also, guys, I'm going to start offering a service to where I'll modify your bodyguard to be just like this. All you got to do is just send me the optic, send me the laser, and I'll install the optic. I'll zero it to whatever desired range you want. So if you want it to be 0 for 15 yards, 25 yards, 5 yards, 7 yards, whatever the case may be, just let me know and I'll do that. So for those of you who don't want to go through the pains of installing all of this, as you saw what I had to go through to put that on, I'll knock it out for you. And just to show y'all what I mean here, so right now I have the bore sight in the gun. Let me actually turn it on. All right, now it's on. So if I aim, you can see the green laser. And if I go further out, because I have it zeroed for a little further than this, you can see it's dead on. So close range here, it's not exactly dead on, but it'll still hit my point of impact pretty accurately. And then I think I have this sighted out to like 10 or 7 yards, and you see it's dead on accurate from that range. So with the laser now on here, so if I click the laser, as you see, I just turn the laser off and turn it back on. The laser is to the left. So the laser's to the left, and then the bore sight one is this one. So now I'm going to adjust my laser windage to line up with the bore, and then this will be perfectly lined up. Because when I click this button here, I need that to be where I need it to be, and that'll prevent me from having to aim down and looking through the green dot. I can just simply, boom, put that, where I want to be, pull the trigger, and it's going to be dead on. So, yeah. All right, just to show you, I'm going to turn on the bore sight. And I just turn on my laser. You see that? The laser's like right under it. Now, I did it for a little further back, so if I step back and I turn it on, see that? It's like dead on. So, this thing, laser, boom, perfect. So you can see the green laser. I'm gonna turn on my laser here. You see that? It's pretty much dead on. But if I go further out, it's really dead on because I have this sighted to 15 yards. Sick, man. Absolutely sick.